This is stunning Wales. This is what I think about when I think about Wales, you know. So we being the Royal, me and my bike, have just stopped at the Owl's Nest, as you just see, in Llandovery. And the trip today is to try and get to the Llandovery Reservoir. And it's not somewhere I've ever been before, but I've been told, I put it on South Wales Bikers last night and said, has anybody been to the Llynbrian Reservoir and is it worth a trip? And half of the people went, it's a must see, mate, you've got to do it. And then the others said, you know, there's so much better road. But as half the people said it's worth a visit, I'm going to head up there now. Where are we? It's the 21st of May and it's about just gone past 12 o'clock. So I just had a bacon roll there, which was really, really lovely. So the road up here is supposed to be quite nadgery. So yeah, I don't think there'll be too much traffic obviously today. It'll be absolutely fine. Road closed ahead. Ugh. Okay. You can see we've got some heavy machinery up in front, so doesn't look closed today. Well, there we go. So that's it. The road telling us the road's closed, which was for that bridge, and it just seems like, as happens, they've left the signs up and finished the work. It's a lovely little valley, isn't it? I mean, it's really, really good. It's so scenic. I'm really quite happy with this. Now, I come up this way quite often with the other guys you'll see in my vlogs, and we never come out here. So I think it's a really, really good place to come. Don't see them very often now. Phone boxes. God, it's still got a phone in it. Unbelievable. Right, the scenery is really starting to open up. I'm looking over to my left and I'm kind of hoping we'll get a view of it in a minute when we come out of the woods, because we're about 6 miles into the trip and we are in an absolutely stunning spot, and I can just see through the trees this huge valley that we're riding a right hand ridge of. I mean, a vast valley. I really hope we get to show some of this scenery. I think you're going to see it. Yeah, look at this. There's a pub right out here, wow. The Royal Oak. So these are the Cambrian Mountains, and wow, we are heading in to such a beautiful valley. Oops, got to get a move on, I've got a van now. We might just let him go so we can enjoy the scenery. Jeez, look at that. Stunning. What a place to live there, look. Yeah, if you haven't been up to the Brianne Reservoir from Llandovery, then it is a definite brilliant place to come. Wow, so I've got 2.5 miles still to go on this road. Just come out into this clearing, look at this, look at that. Look at that for stunning, stunning scenery. Just past the house on the right, and what a place to sit out. So we're right on this valley edge again. On the right hand side you can see just open moorland, and in front of you it's really impressive. Just soak up that scenery. Fresh tarmac too, what's not to like there? Wow. This is stunning Wales. This is what I think about when I think about Wales, you know. Off the main roads. Sheep farms, moorland valley, tops, that over the top. And you can see all the cloud top. It's just incredible. This most definitely is one of the most stunning little bits of road I've ever done. I wanted to bring my drone up to get some really good aerial shots. I've got a Mavic 3 Pro. It's a good camera drone, it really is. However, when I checked the area for any air restrictions, Sennybridge, which is not many miles away, have a radius cover of jamming, signal jamming. So I don't know what's going on military wise over to our east, and it's about 6 kilometers over to our east position where we are now, but they're jamming all the signals for GPS. I'm just gonna stop what I'm talking about at the moment and just give you a view. Yeah, anyway, they're jamming the signal, so I can't use the drone as I'll lose it. What do we got here then? Oh my god, look at this. Wow. I'm going to put the camera up so you get a good view. Stunning, isn't it? Have a look at that. I don't know what to say about that. It's absolutely incredible. I think we'll head up and see if we can get across it as well. I think you can. I just don't know what to say about that. It's just stunning. Stunning. Right. I think we're going to head up and have a closer look. Looks like you can get up to the viewpoint up there. Well, that is definitely worth a visit. I'm so happy with that. Yeah, I'm just that's an amazing sight. As we said, we'll head up, just see whether we can get up to the viewing point at the top as well. Jeez, look at that. Wow. I'm not going to walk across. But we can see here really clearly the dam. Now the Brianne was, this was all dammed in the 1960s, late 60s apparently, and it was to supply Swansea and Neath and that area of South Wales with water, and it's done that ever since. And apparently the only building or buildings that got swallowed in it was a farm, and you can still see it on low water. But yeah, someone lost their farm in there, and God, can you imagine what it must have been like? And I wonder how deep that is, because when you see the valley the other side, how far the dam comes down, it seems like it must be incredibly deep water. Yeah, incredible. What a worthwhile trip that was. I want to see it in the sun, but it looks really good on a misty, low hanging cloud day as well, so I'm not too upset with that.